Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video I'll be filming a plan with me / setting up month of December. Here I am currently using Hobonichi and here I am using Hobonichi planner, and mostly I plan in my weekly and monthly. If you guys haven't checked out those videos, please feel free to check those out if you're interested in how I plan in my Hobonichi. But I am doing similar concept how I plan my Hobonichi but into this digital planner. If you guys haven't watched my previous video where I set up my sticker book, here they are. So I did functionals, Christmas, and then self-care. Feel free to give that a watch. So let's get started in December. I can't believe we're getting close to end of 2020 and it's gonna be 2021. I am sort of like nervous about it. So far I am getting used to using this planner. I design everything myself. It is interactive, so like if you tap on different tabs, it will go to that page. And so cross finger, it still works. And then I do have weekly, and I'll film another video on setting up my weekly pages. So these are interactive. I already wrote this month, and these I plan on writing like things I need to do for this month. And then on the right column I plan on writing, maybe I might want to put some like real photos in there, so kind of like a memory planning style on the right. I do already have a photo that I want to turn into like a washi, and then I'll crop this to size. So I'm gonna make it to like a little bit smaller, so it'll be more like a rectangle, so this becomes like a washi tape sticker. So it's giving that like Christmas look to it. I plan on placing it on the left hand page, and I'm gonna reduce its size. It may not fit completely, but I think it'll look good like on this corner. But let me move green date cover up first. So let's move, and I tried writing with my handwriting, like writing out December, but I don't think it actually worked really well. So I think it's like this December, and I kind of gave up. I'm like, okay, never mind, I'm not gonna write it out because it's kind of messy. Okay, so let's start writing a date for the first to start on Tuesday. So let's zoom in a little closer, move this closer. I plan on placing this a little bit on the left. Let's increase the size like that, and then let's copy and paste. There you go. That Thursday. So I had it, and let's do this. That was tedious. So here are all my green circles. It's kind of like give that festive Christmas theme. So now let's start writing in the dates. I plan on using white. I think white will make the font stand out. Or we can maybe try a little pink. Let's try like light pink. Let's see if it actually shows anything. I am using ball pen, maybe pink and green. What do you think? Do you think pink and green will look good? Or should I do, let's try different colors as a test. So let's try the white too as well. Let's do, you know, honestly, I think the white look better. So let's stick with white. So 1, I'm not gonna go too fancy. 2. Hi friends, the video was getting way too long, so this will be a part 1 to this video. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more planning related videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye friends!